We have ordered Ikea chair from Amazon. Let's see. Let's open the cardboard box. Here's the chair wrapped in plastic. Let's take out the chair, and here goes the box. Open up the plastic wrap and see how is the chair. There's some sort of documentation, I guess service centers and IKEA centers, all those info as per the sticker. It can bear a load of 100 kgs or 220 pounds. We should not stand on top of the chair. Yeah, even the chair doesn't look so strong that you can stand over it. The frame and all the metal rod used to make the chair does not seem very strong, but it is of good quality. It is thin. I can think it can take a load up to 100 kgs if you are just sitting on it. By the way, quality of the chair seems pretty good for the price. The plastic and all does not seem too flimsy. It is not super strong, but I won't say it is of inferior quality. It is of good quality. The finishing done by IKEA is good, as you can see. Even the plastic sitting area all seems pretty nicely done. The chair has a slim profile and it is a lightweight chair so that you can easily carry it. The finishing of the chair is good. If you want to buy the chair, the purchase link is in the description. You can go there and use that link for purchasing this chair. The color and the paint of the chair seems good. This is how the chair looks. Okay, bye. Thank you.